Comverse is a global provider of software and systems for telecommunication providers, and what we're seeing now is that telecom providers are becoming the hub of the connected world, connecting between people, applications, devices, and essentially we're providing them with the systems and platforms that enable them to enable this connected world of possibilities. We do this through billing systems of the entire world of BSS. We do this through value-added services, SMS, MMS, voicemail, and so on. We do this through mobile internet, and we do this through managed services. So these are the building blocks that let us create new solutions for the telecommunication industries in 2012. Essentially, what we showed today at the show is how telecom providers can jump on this bandwagon of social networking, and they can actually leverage social networking as another channel. Now, the way we look at it, telecom providers need to provide a uniform user experience and service across all channels. And it's impossible to avoid today social networks as a channel. I mean, if you're a subscriber, your customer is spending more than 30 minutes a day on Facebook or on LinkedIn or on Twitter, this is another place that you have to take your business to and promote it there. So it doesn't matter if it's Facebook or LinkedIn or Twitter. I think the notion today is that social media is something that you cannot escape, and you should actually leverage it to become an asset. So essentially what we're doing is we're providing a tool for that to happen.
So as you know, Comverse is a market leader in terms of BSS and in terms of VAS. In the Balkans, Comverse has always been strong in value-added services. Most of the operators here in the region have SMS from Comverse or MMS from Comverse or a voicemail from Comverse and so on. On one hand, Comverse is enhancing its value-added services into the next generation, as Yariv was saying, over the top layers, social media, converged messaging, cloud, and so on. On the other hand, Comverse is leveraging on its leadership in converged BSS, being the #1 today in the world in terms of converged billing and converged CRM and so on, also in the Balkans, and actually our footprint in terms of BSS is getting bigger and bigger in the Balkans as well. Many new projects in the last few years in BSS, and this is really an exciting new business for Comverse. So in general, I can say that these are the areas where we're focused on right now. The last but not least is, of course, data monetization. Data monetization is a supplementary service to the VAS, to the BSS, and basically this is how you take all these tons of data that the users are consuming and monetize it properly to the benefit of the operator.